The ultimate, natural skincare solution: potato and milk blend for radiant skin. Skincare is an essential aspect of overall health and well-being. With the increasing awareness about the harmful effects of synthetic chemicals and the benefits of natural ingredients, many people are turning to homemade remedies for their skincare needs. One such natural remedy is a blend of potato and milk, which is not only effective but also simple and inexpensive to prepare. This unique concoction is perfect for sunburns, brightening the skin, and providing numerous other skin benefits. Ingredients and preparation. To prepare this natural skincare remedy, you will need the following ingredients. 1. 1 potato. 2. 1 cup of milk. 3. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Follow these steps to create your homemade skincare blend. 1. Peel and shred the potato using a grater. 2. Place the shredded potato into a pot and add 1 cup of milk. 3. Cook the mixture on medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the potato is soft and cooked through. 4. Remove the mixture from the heat and allow it to cool. 5. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the cooled potato and milk mixture. 6. Blend the mixture in a blender for 2 minutes, ensuring a smooth consistency is achieved. 7. Allow the mixture to cool completely before applying it to the skin. Skin benefits. This potato and milk blend offer several benefits for the skin. Sunburn relief. The combination of potato and milk has soothing properties that help alleviate the pain and inflammation associated with sunburns. The starch in potatoes also aids in reducing skin redness and irritation. Skin brightening. The natural enzymes and vitamin C in potatoes can help lighten and even out skin tone, while the lactic acid in milk gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. Moisturizing. The blend is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish and hydrate the skin, promoting a healthy and glowing complexion. Anti-aging. Potatoes contain antioxidants that can help combat the signs of aging, while milk's lactic acid helps to stimulate collagen production, improving skin elasticity. Skin whitening. The mixture can help lighten hyperpigmentation and dark spots, resulting in a more even and radiant complexion. Conclusion. The potato and milk blend is a natural, inexpensive, and effective skincare remedy that provides numerous benefits. It is gentle enough for regular use and can help improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. So, if you're seeking a natural alternative to commercial skincare products, give this homemade concoction a try and enjoy the benefits of radiant, healthy skin.